Mr. Prius? Are you? What are you just driving on the road, sir?
Hang in there as long as you want.
Oh. Bro. He's not even.
That's why I was like,
He's made no indication what the
I'll
hell he's
wait.
doing. All right, you're getting locked because
He's continually.
no, he's literally driving down the center lane like as if it's a lane in the road. Come on, man.
Super terrifying.
Like, what would have happened if you would have just stayed in that lane and like stopped and said, "What are you doing?"
What's the plan? What is the
like,
plan?
He had no plan. He just that was mindless. Oy.
Really took care of my girl there. Really did a good job, Danny.
And they're just gonna cut across.
Jesus.
You are just. That's worse.
Learn where you're going, or use a signal at least. That's cute house.
Chateau Bow Wow.
Yeah, that was real. You, bro. That video's still locked. Yep. We got a double clip.
Yeah, there. Yeah. Anything where the proximity is like super big, you have to like lean in.
Nice, bro. And
I got a
flat
guy.
on red. All right, ready? And locked.
Not worth it.
Nice, bro.
He had a buddy. They both went.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're absolutely nuts. And I saw that, and like, I thought it was decent at Tetris.
Oh, man.
And then I saw that, and then...
As soon as I watched someone successfully clear the grid that they couldn't see, like in the credit section where it's like the blocks, it's invisible. You can see what the pieces...
But it was. Oop, here's a little dome kid. And then...
On the defensive line, quick throw to the outside and a short one to Riddick. It's caught in the left flat, and he's down quickly for a gain of 1. There's a little bit of the bluebirds here. They're not saying Ford Field, they're booing a little bit. They are. A little frustrated that that ball's not thrown further down the field. That ball's thrown at the line of scrimmage.
You mean shenanigans?